How is Platner's wife responding to the scandal over explicit texts with women? Her reaction is surprising and sheds light on how people cope with public betrayal. When the scandal about Platner's explicit texts with other women broke out, his wife's first response was one of shock and deep hurt. Surprisingly, she decided not to respond publicly at first, choosing to process the news privately. This decision reflects a common approach where individuals avoid media scrutiny to protect their emotional well-being and family privacy during such crises. After some time, Platner's wife released a brief but powerful statement emphasizing her commitment to healing and keeping the family united. This step often helps to reclaim control over the narrative and signals a willingness to move forward. It also shows how partners of public figures handle scandal by focusing on personal strength and support systems rather than engaging in controversy. Behind the scenes, Platner's wife is reportedly leaning heavily on close friends and family to navigate the emotional turmoil. Support systems are crucial in managing the fallout from public scandals. This private network provides the resilience needed to face challenges, reminding us how vital personal connections are when confronting difficult personal issues in the spotlight. Looking ahead, Platner's wife appears intent on rebuilding trust and prioritizing her children's emotional health. Handling the aftermath of such scandals involves balancing personal healing with parenting responsibilities. Her focus on family well-being highlights the long-term consequences of public controversies and the strength required to protect loved ones during turbulent times. Platner's wife's response to the scandal reveals a mixture of shock, privacy, and resilience. She chose to handle the situation quietly at first, then publicly emphasized healing and family unity. Her focus on support systems and protecting her children shows the human side behind public controversies. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.